Did see a little bit of a patchy, dense fog in parts of the lower valley this morning, but right now everything's kind of cleared out. Everything's kind of pushing off towards the east, so we're seeing all the rain activity over there in the southern portions of the United States. Right now, here in the valley, temperatures back in the 70s. We're at 73 in McAllen, 74 in Wesco, and 72 degrees right now in Harlingen. The rest of this afternoon looks pretty warm. We'll expect it to reach the lower and mid 80s. I think maybe 85 might be pushing it a little bit too much there in McAllen. We could still stay in the lower 80s the rest of this afternoon. Sunny skies, a little bit warmer today than what we've seen the last few days here in the area. But for overnight tonight, we're expecting low temperatures to reach the lower 50s. We could reach the upper 40s in the upper valley again, but last night was pretty cold. We had temperatures in the lower 40s across the area here. Clear skies tonight, and we'll see some very patchy fog. It looks like less fog activity than what we saw yesterday or last night. And right now we're expecting that, like I mentioned, all that activity pushing off towards the east. Sunny skies, high pressure kind of settling in here in Texas for the next couple of days. The weekend looks pretty warm. We're going to expect those temperatures to reach the upper 80s, and then by Sunday we'll see some cloud activity, but Sunday looks pretty windy also here. So next cold front, next weather maker for us, probably Monday, but you notice all the rain activity staying off towards the Gulf of Mexico. It looks like we'll probably stay dry on Monday. So let's take a look at rain chances. Right now, 0% for the next 3 days. We do have a 10% chance, and I think 10% might be a little too generous there on Monday, but we do have a stray shower possible. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday are drying right back up. Future track showing wind activity pretty calm the rest of this afternoon and even through the overnight hours, but then we hit Sunday and we start to see lots of wind in the lower valley, and this model usually underdoes the wind activity, and right now we're forecasting 22 miles per hour in Harlingen. This is for Sunday afternoon, but we could see wind gusting up to 35, 40 miles per hour at the coast for Sunday, and then some pretty high wind gusts still in the upper valley through the afternoon on Sunday. But that's for Sunday. For Friday, here today we're looking at temperatures approaching near 80 degrees, and we'll see those overnight lows back in the lower 50s. Saturday, another warm day, but Sunday looks much warmer. Temperatures in the upper 80s, even some 90s there on the map in the upper valley, and then overnight lows not cooling off too much. We'll only be in the 60s. It looks like the cold front comes in Monday late in the afternoon, so that's when we'll see those temperatures dropping off again. Here's a look at tomorrow's day planner. We're seeing temperatures going back up to the upper 80s, much sun out there, sunny and warming back up. 10 p.m. clear skies, temperatures around 66 degrees. Here's a look at your coastal forecast at the bay. Winds out of the southwest turning west tomorrow between 10 and 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Sunny skies today with temperatures around the mid 70s. For the rest of today in the rest of the valley, temperatures in the lower 80s. Sunny with lower humidity, and then tonight temperatures back around 54 degrees. Patchy fog late, but as I mentioned, we don't expect to see dense fog through the overnight hours. Here's a look at your first Warm 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We're going to see temperatures in the 80s, pretty warm for Saturday and Sunday. Sunny skies, very windy on Sunday, partly cloudy conditions on Monday. Temperatures still in the mid 80s. The cold front comes in late in the evening on Monday. Mostly sunny skies for Tuesday. Temperatures dropping off into the 40s for morning lows on Tuesday, but look at that, high temperatures, 61 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday. Very comfortable conditions, a little cold for our standards here in the valley. Thursday still looks pretty cool with temperatures in the mid 60s. That's a complete look at your first Warm 5 forecast.
All right, weather looking nice to head out to the zoo. Alejandra here with a snake today. Luckily, it's a small one, so yes. Thanks for that. Tell us all about this snake.
Yes, this is a Sinaloan milk snake. Goes by the name of Leche. Appropriately named as a milk snake. It's a little wiggly today. It's very active. But so if you've heard of, or have seen a coral snake.
Right, it looks very similar.
Yes, they look similar. But this is not a venomous snake.
Okay.
So this one
we don't have to worry about this one.
No, this one's a constrictor, fairly small. But so if you notice with the coral snake, the colors will be different. So, I mean, the same colors, but the red and so on this one you can see that the yellow does not touch the red.
Right.
So that means it's not going to be venomous. Usually that's the rule of thumb.
And this is about as big as they get, or how big do they get?
Yes, so he's fully grown.
All right.
Yes.
And I know it's just one of the many animals there that you have there at the zoo in the education department.
Yes.
And you continue with your Saturday safari classes, and you have a really interesting one this Saturday.
Yes, so this Saturday, so tomorrow, they will be making toys for the animals. So that is part of the enrichment process for the animals. And yeah, they get to make toys for them and see how the animals interact with them.
All right, and with the toys, the animals get to exercise. And
It's important for their development, as in like a, it's kind of like a puzzle for them, right? They get to experience something different, kind of break down, see how it works, or it's just something interesting.
yeah, and then the kids get to see how they interact with these toys.
Yes.
All right, sounds good. Okay, that class happening Saturday from 1 to 3 there at Gladys Porter Zoo. And of course, you can go on their website, which is gpz.org.
Or call the education department directly at 956-548-WILD.
All right, and what's the age limit for these classes?
So it can be children or adult. So it'll be $15 per person or $10 for members, so $5 off.
Any other events happening coming up? Because I know this is a very busy time.
No, we did just have Zoo Nights and Lights, and that went fairly well. Had a lot of fun there.
And of course, lots of kids and adults are going to be off for the holidays, so you have regular scheduled hours?
Yes, 9 to 5 every day of the week, so we will be open Christmas Day. If you're going to have family over, that's a good time to just walk around, kind of get some snacks, see the animals. Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. All right. Well, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And we're going to be right back.
You'll always find the best deal at your #1 GM